If you wanted to make a pet run, how would you do it like that? Well, you can change you can change your specification. You can say, don't make the pet run. Ask how fast the pet can run, given a particular distance or type of terrain. So instead of having the method perform the run operation, you would have a method that actually gave you a calculation that would indicate how well they could run given a particular condition.
That'd be cool. You could have run that takes in a parameter called forest.
So fast, slow, and like that, yeah. Yeah, you could enter 1 for slow, 2 for fast, or you could use an enumeration. Enumerations are great, but I like Java's enumerations more than C#, and it pains me to say that, but it's true.
And of course, the natural thing that goes with enumerations is switches, and you hate those as well.
All right, this is completely outside of the C# thing, so pretend it's a break. Dave asked if you could write an example of a Java enumeration. Nelson?
Not off the top of my head. I haven't actually written one, but I've read about what they can do. I can pull up.
So you're just being a fanboy?
No, it's not being a fanboy. I've read about them. They can have what they can do is you can put methods on enumerations. So, for example, oh come on, work Windows key. So, for example, you could have something like enum pet even, and you could give it like a something like a. Not only can you give it methods, but hold on. I need to get this. See, the syntax is what I have never done before. All right, so if Java enumerations were available in C#, this is what they would look like. I'm basically creating a class and then creating a variety of instances for the class and using the constructor that I defined right here. So it's a very, very interesting concept.
Yeah, that is interesting.
But yeah, so being able to define like a bunch of instances like that is really cool. F# enumerations are even stranger.